Have you ever given thought to the effects of our reliance on technology? How our beloved technologies can be endangering our health? We are peeling back the curtain on this technological revolution, so get ready to face the disturbing truth. Today, we are diving into a topic that affects us all: the health risks of technology, how our devices are harming our physical and mental health. We will learn in this compelling journey the enormous effects our ongoing connection to technology has on our health. Imagine spending all of your time sitting over a screen, surfing on social media, hooked to your phone, or becoming sucked into a virtual world. Yet at what cost? The cost of our digital immersion can go much beyond than the momentary pleasure it brings. Recent research has uncovered an unsettling pattern. Excessive screen usage and sedentary lifestyles have given rise to a wide range of medical illness. Our bodies are suffering from a growing list of diseases, including obesity, muscular disorders, eye strain, and sleep disruptions. The irony is glaring. While technology was created to make our lives simpler, it may actually be endangering our physical health. The effects, however, do not end there. Technology's pervasiveness has a negative impact on our mental health as well. Constant exposure to carefully controlled social media feeds can lead to anxiety, despair, and feelings of unworthiness. An increasing problem in digital addiction undermines our ability to focus, be productive, and form meaningful relationships. But do not worry, a chance for change exists inside these difficulties. Regaining control and finding a balance between our digital lives and our well-being is within our ability. We may lessen the negative consequences and prepare the road for an improved connection with our devices by establishing healthy technology habits, such as practicing digital detoxes, establishing boundaries, and fostering real-world interactions. Technology poses significant health concerns, yet it can also help us become more resilient and powerful. Unbelievably, extended electronic use is linked to a wide range of physical health issues, according to recent studies. Inactivity brought on by too much screen time has been linked to musculoskeletal conditions like neck and back discomfort. The impact on our mental health is simply alarming, going beyond the physical. Heavy technology use has been linked in studies to higher rates of loneliness, sadness, and anxiety. Exposure to professionally constructed online personalities on a regular basis might encourage sentiments of sadness. Moreover, it is impossible to ignore how addicting technology is. According to studies, excessive screen time and digital interaction might rewire our brains, creating reliance and having a negative impact on cognitive function. Our capacity to focus is hampered by the dopamine-fueled attraction of social media notifications and the constant demand for approval, which reduces productivity and impairs concentration. There is optimism despite the gloom, though. To protect our well-being, experts and researchers are pushing for the adoption of better technology practices. The negative effects of technology on our physical and mental health can be lessened by taking regular pauses from screens, including physical activity into our daily schedules, and fostering interpersonal relationships. The transforming potential of having a balanced approach to technology is demonstrated by real-life success stories. People can reclaim control and create a healthier relationships with the digital world by setting limits, practicing mindfulness, and choosing substitute activities that foster personal growth and connection. The study provides a clear picture of the health dangers associated with the digital age. It is our responsibility to move through the digital world with awareness, purpose, and a dedication to balance. We can create a healthy future by using technology with awareness and putting on physical and mental health first. In conclusion, it is clearly apparent from the facts that a reliance on technology is damaging to both our physical and mental health. It is impossible to overlook the alarming increase in medical illness, mental health problems, and addictive behaviors. However, we may regain control and achieve a balance in our digital lives by accepting the risks and adopting healthy technology practices. It's time to put our health first and change how we interact with technology. To lessen the negative impacts, let's take regular pauses, exercise, foster interpersonal relationships, and practice mindfulness. We can design a future where technology improves our lives without endangering our health if we work together. I hope you liked the video. Do share with friends and family as well, and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions, do mention in the comment box.